drinks, which are turmeric drink and ginger tea. Now, these drinks help us get protected from the cold, and also if you have germs in your throat, then they will wash them away. And so we'll just get started with me saying the ingredients. So the ingredients are, there are bay leaves, ginger, cardamom, clove, and some cinnamon. I think I mixed these two up. Yeah, I mixed them up. And we have turmeric powder and some salt. So, first, you want to have a pot filled in with water. How much people are going to drink it, that's how much water you need. And then you're going to have to bring my plate. And I'm going to open this. I'm going to put this cup right here. Oh, don't fall. And then I'm going to take my bay leaves. I'm going to plop them in. I'm going to take my, and now I'm going to take my clove. I'm going to plop them in. I'm going to take my cinnamon. And of course my ginger, because the tea is named after ginger. So you better put the ginger in. Let me just put these in. Now the lemons you're not going to add in. We're going to have to use those for later. And we're going to take the cup and put it on. Now you want a lid on your stove. And you want to wait until 10 to 20 minutes for your ginger tea to sizzle up and all boil. So you should give it at least 10 to 20 minutes just to have it boiled and everything good. So I'll see you guys after 10 to 20 minutes. Quiet. This place. I remember it. Uh-oh, I forgot. I was just playing just to pass the time while this was bored. So my mom, she put the ginger tea in a cup because it's way too hot. So she put it in a cup and she gave me a spoon so I could stir in the rest of the ingredients. And I also forgot to say that there's honey in the ginger tea ingredients. So let's get right on. Let's finish up the ginger tea. So first I'm going to add some honey. And for this, you're just going to need a spoon. Now I'm going to need to open this first. It's really sticky. Just add. This is really hard for me. And I just added that much honey, not too much honey. And now I'm going to be mixing it in. And don't forget your lemon because that makes it a little bit sour. Sour, sweet, same thing, no? So we're going to add that in. You want to make sure to finish the lemon. Okay, so that's about how much I could take out. It was really lemony hands. And now we're going to stir this in. And I forgot to tell you guys that if you want a little bit more taste or flavor, whatever you want to call it, you could add a little bit more cinnamon powder. But further ado, my mom already added some in. So I'm just going to mix it. So I finished mixing it, and this is how it looks like. And so we're finished with this. I'm going to put it to the side, and I'm going to start my turmeric juice. So over here, I have my ingredients. I don't need this, but I have my ingredients here. I have a spoon. I added a spoon here, and my mom, she gave me water, and it was in the microwave for about 1 minute, and so it could be warmer for the turmeric powder to dissolve. Not to dissolve, the salt to dissolve. So first we're gonna add in lemons, like lemon juice. You just dropped it in there. Alright, I think that's good. I think I'll just... And make sure to take out the seeds. You don't want any seeds in. So I'm going to take a minute and take out all the seeds that I found in here. Can't forget the rest of them. Oops, found another one. I'm digging so hard that I'm wasting... Again, why do I keep on doing that? I'm about to finish pouring this in. Okay, good. Okay, now we're just gonna add a little bit of turmeric powder. And we're just not gonna take a lot, like a full scoop. We're just gonna take just a little bit, that much, or a little less. That much. I'm just gonna pour it just to get the turmeric. And put it back in. And now we're gonna add some salt. Okay. Now you don't want to add too much salt, but just a little bit of salt. I'm just going to shake a little bit. Okay. But make sure you mix the turmeric powder really, really well. Now it looks like lemonade. Okay, so we're done with that. I'm going to move my plate over. And I'm going to bring in my 2 juices. So guys, this was the 2 juices I made. I mean, not the 2 juices, the 2 drinks I made today. And they're really good, as I said in the beginning. Try them out at home, and I think they're gonna be really good. I never tasted them. But if you guys really like this today's video, then comment down below what is your favorite drink. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.